Hi, ako po si Manny Viloria ng trulyrichpinoy.com, and we're back from a good trip to Hong Kong. And during that time, nakatulong po yung blog natin kasi our blog was able to do the explaining for people who are interested in online marketing. Yung mga questions po nila nasasagot ng blog. Tapos kung meron po silang mga ibang questions na hindi nasasagot ng blog, magsisend po sila ng email. And then, kahit ilang araw pa po ako offline, pwede naman pong sagutin yung email after 4 days. Anyway, meron naman po silang napulot doon po sa blog. So I highly encourage you to publish your blog. Ilagay po natin ang ating mga kwento, mga useful or entertaining articles para pwede po tayo magbakasyon ng ilang araw at kahit hindi natin sinasagot yung mga email during that vacation time, andyan naman po yung blog. Until the next tip, ito po si Manny Viloria ng trulyrichpinoy.com. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.